Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, collect the exact email address you will link and the display name you want visitors to see. Have alternate addresses if needed. Choose between a simple MailTo link or wiring a Squarespace form to an external account. MailTo opens a user email client, while a form sends submissions to a server address. If using an external provider for notifications, note SMTP host, port 587, username, and password so you can paste them into integration settings. Open the page editor, add a text block or button block where you want the email link, then highlight text or select the button to add a link. For a direct email, enter MailTo, you at example. Com into the URL field and include parameters like subject equals contact %20 request or and body equals hello to preset the subject and body. Choose whether the link should open the default mail client or a new browser tab, and save the page to test that MailTo launches an email. Compose window with your preset fields. To receive messages without MailTo, add a form block, then open storage or email settings and set the recipient address where submissions are sent. You can add multiple addresses separated by commas. Send a test submission and verify the message arrives. If it lands in spam, adjust sender name and use a recognizable from address or configure SPF records with your domain. For higher deliverability, connect Squarespace email campaigns or enter SMTP settings for an external email provider to send using authenticated servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.